Alright guys, welcome back. Bass Bros episode 3. We're doing the Google Maps challenge because we don't have enough people to finish the tournament video. Sorry about that. You'll get it next week, hopefully. But we got Pedigo, Neff, Tom. This is our first spot. I don't see it anywhere it says no fishing on that sign, so we're gonna get it done today. Ain't that right, boys?
Thanks, great.
Oh, Jeffrey's got one on. We're gonna run over to him. Bro, this man hasn't even been out here for... Oh, that's a big one. That is a nice one for Jeff. Oh yeah, get that bad boy in. Get him in, Jeff. Oh yeah.
Tom.
Go down and grab him. Bro, Tom, this is a nice one. Oh yeah, that's a
Tom.
That's a nice one, Jeff.
Like on the tail? Yeah, there you go.
Oh yeah, that's a beaut.
3, 2, 1. Alright. What do you get?
Let's weigh it.
We're gonna weigh this sucker. 3 pounds 8 ounces. That's the measurement.
Alright, you ready?
Yep. All right, let's. Ooh. I'm coming, Tom. We got our boy Tommy getting a slightly smaller one, but you know it's a fish.
Oh.
This man's abusing a fish.
Sorry, dude. I'm sorry. There you
No, we'll watch this one weigh. Not gonna put it in the water for this one, but.
Ow, that hurts. That hurts.
Watch him swim off.
You just tore my thumb up, bro.
Oh yeah, that's 2 on the day. Me and Neff are next. Just as I said that, 10 seconds later, little Neff boy's got one on. Oh yeah, go grab it.
Let's go, baby.
That's a big boy, honestly.
That's a toad, baby.
Oh yeah.
God. Damn.
Oh yeah, there's another big boy.
Woo.
Oh, he's a fish.
Let's go, baby.
He's
Let's
a fish.
go. Let's
He's
go.
a fish kisser, boys.
Woo!
I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, go grab it and run down. Or it isn't. Who has the scale?
Take a picture for that one's longer than mine.
All right, we're gonna measure it or weigh it. Let's see the official weight. 3.8.
Oh my God. That's the same thing.
Same as
That boy's small.
Jeff's.
That boy's low-key big.
Boy.
Don't throw them in. Just put them
Yeah, just drop him in.
Here we go, little fishy. Tell your other fishes that they need to eat too.
All right, just switched up my bait to a worm because that seems to be what's working out here. I'm the only one left to catch something, and we're gonna go right next to Pedigo. Oh. If you got another little guy.
Yeah, dude. No, you can just see him swimming around in here, dude. God, bro. There we go. Number 2 on the day, leading the boys. Oh, shit. That hurt.
Got it, baby.
Oh, she's bleeding too. Let's go. Oh, dude, it should have swallowed it.
Seriously?
You need pliers? No, like it.
If I land this water bottle right here, everyone who watches this video has to like and subscribe. We're gonna start a little section of these videos called Tying Knots with Tommy, because everybody always makes me tie their knots. So welcome to the first showing, or first, I don't even know what to call it. I don't know what I'm doing either, so. But it's all good.
Alright, so we had a decent amount of success at the first spot. We're going to area 2.
Yes, sir.
Neff had 2 in the first spot. Tommy had
1.
2, 1.
1.
He had 1. He tried to lie at the beginning. I saw that. Pedigo had 1, 2.
Just kidding, 1.
Oh wow, this man's a liar too. And then I had 1.
Spot number 2, we're good to fish. You foul hooked it? You foul hooked it. No, it didn't. Okay, never mind.
Oh yeah, first fish in the new spot, baby!
Crappie. I thought it was a crappie. But it's, yeah, it's a bluegill. No, I've never been horned by a bluegill.
Bro, I don't know what to do.
Oh my. Holy speed. That's frustrating. There it is. Come on, buddy. Flip! Oh, don't break my line, please. Okay, stop it, stop. Yep. Tell all your fish friends that they need to eat my freaking lure. Or my Senko. Ooh. It's kind of cool but disgusting at the same time. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I got you. Pull him out of the...
Whoa, another one!
Ethan. Oh. What? What, dude?
I'll show you anyway.
Don't mean where.
Make it all the way across, I get those seeds.
The whole bag?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me see a cast first, real quick.
Where at? Right there.
This is how you catch a fish, 101.
On your butt. Flick it. Turn it off instantly.
You just caught the fountain.
Alright, what is up guys? We're back at Wildwood Lake. We did lose a member, Logan. He got a little tired, I guess.
There are no fish in this pond. In this lake, whatever you want to call it. There's not one single fish.
Unless I catch it on that cast. You see that cast, guys? That is how you cast. He's already given up on us. He's on his phone. Stalking guys. Gosh, how?
Oh my
Are you serious right now? He's leaving the boys in the dark. He's on Instagram right now. How fake of him. He's not a true fisherman. We're doing a drinking water challenge.
Okay, sorry, I can't stop laughing.
That was so cringy, bro. Just go. 3, 2, 1.
No.
Ethan's just gonna do that thing
I
where
can't
they do.
stop.
Why?
Oh,
I can't stop.
Wait, you know he's
Wait,
got
I'll
to count
count.
down.
3, 2, 1, go. There's still something left in there, bro.
Barely.
Oh, Ethan won.
I wonder.
What, dude?
You can cut that out.
Cut that out.
So we're about to go in. A&F
We're finishing the day with a bang.
literally just we're about to go in because we weren't getting anything.
Money moves only, baby. All right, watch him dropping in. Get underwater.
Yeah, no, it's a little one. We don't need that.
Look at it.